guys, welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a memorandum. What is memorandum? A memorandum or memo is a written statement, record, or communication such as within an office, a note of things to be remembered. Memo is used to communicate something of immediate importance to people within a business or organization. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a memorandum step by step. First of all, write the date. You have to write the full format, month, day, date, and year. And then, write to whom the memo is written. In this case is to all staff. And write from, the one who write the memo. Write the full name, the title, and the department. And write subject. You need to mention specific things such as a launching of a certain product, a meeting about something, and so on. In the first paragraph, write the point of the memorandum. Since the subject is about a product launch, then you need to start with it. The issue here is the product launch that needs to be delayed. You can then mention more details like the date, the reasons why, and so on. In the second paragraph, tell more details about the delayed product. You need to give all staff brief information about how important it is to delay. Since this business is about the company, not only for you, you have to make them all understand the urgency. In the third paragraph, you can direct the further information to a certain department. So, the staffs will know where to go to get more explanation. And if it is bad news, the company needs to prepare it and let the staff know. You can give certain commands for staffs through this memo about what to do next after they read this memo. And, the last paragraph, since it is about bad news, give powerful words to bring the light back. Close the memo with words of positivity. And, that's how you write a memorandum for employees in a company. See you.